Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Art Adventures for day 6 of Inktober. Today's word for the prompt is rodent. And for the word rodent, I decided I was going to do Master Splinter from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So, again, if you've joined us just now for this video, go check out my past videos for Inktober for each of the days. And it's going to be every single one of my drawings is going to be an Among Us character, a custom Among Us character skin that I've created based off of adding little hints of different video games or TV shows, movies, whatever it is, comic books, and just doing a bunch of different characters as Among Us characters. The game is awesome. I love the game. Talked about it in my past videos. And I think it's pretty cool that people are kind of embracing the game, but also taking the characters and kind of customizing them to their liking. I've seen it done with just customizing them just for the fun of it. But I've done a ton of research so far, and I haven't quite seen anybody yet. Maybe I've stumbled upon, or haven't stumbled upon it yet or not, but I don't think anybody's doing Among Us characters as a series for Inktober. So with that being said, that's my challenge for myself, is to create Among Us characters, all based off of the Inktober prompt word lists. So, with that being said, here is Master Splinter. I grew up watching Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I think the show now is kind of weird. It doesn't look original. They've kind of, I guess, gone away from the actual original look. And it's obviously more digitized, but that's not the only thing. It just doesn't look that great. There's an artist on Instagram that I don't know his name. I follow him, but he does these really cool, almost like graffiti style Ninja Turtle. He does kind of like these mean, aggressive looking Ninja Turtle characters, and they look amazing. I don't know how you'd be able to find them. I guess just type in, like, I don't know, Ninja Turtles or Michelangelo, Donatello, Raphael, and see what you can find there. But you'll notice him once he gets there. He does really good work. Really good work. One of my favorite guys that I follow on Instagram. Oops, I shook the camera. Sorry about that. But yeah, I've been enjoying his stuff for probably about a month now. I don't know how long he's been doing the Ninja Turtle thing. But I don't know if it's something new that he started and I've been following him for a while, or if it's something I stumbled upon, liked it, and started following him about a month ago. I don't know. I can't tell you. But he is amazing and kind of gave me a little bit of an inspiration for this one. As far as the Master Splinter goes. But I'm excited for this. I try to come up with a pretty original and unique character as I'm looking through these prompts. And I don't want to do the same thing as what I'm seeing on Instagram. So I probably wait till about 10 o'clock in the morning to do all the research look at what people are doing. I kind of have an idea, but I don't want to do something that somebody already did. And I have not found a Master Splinter up to that point. And it's lunchtime, and I have a few minutes to make a video, so I'm making a video. And with that being said, since I haven't found a Master Splinter yet, I definitely am not finding a Master Splinter as an Among Us character. So, hopefully I'm the only one. But yeah, in Ninja Turtles, my favorite character is Michelangelo. One, because I think Michelangelo is one of my favorite artists. That's number one. But I also think he's the funniest. I like that he uses nunchucks and not swords or staff or anything like that. He's just my favorite character overall. And since my name's Mike, I go by Michelangelo whenever we do some sort of game night or event at work or church where I have a name tag. I usually put Mike O. Angelo. And then everybody knows that it's me. So I'm also the only artist that all my friends know. There's a ton of detail in this one, which I love, but man, it takes a while. And I might, I was thinking about it earlier, probably going to use a fine liner on these details to kind of speed the process up. But this is definitely going to take a while if it is something that I do the entire artwork with this brush pen. I've been really enjoying this brush pen though. I'm getting a lot better at it. I'm not necessarily good with it, I would say, but I am learning, and it's all I can ask for right now. I think once I get past this small sketchbook and do work on, say, my Bristol board that I have, you know, the 11 by 14 Bristol board or 9 by 12, whatever I have, I'll be able to use it more to its max potential with the, oh man, I just messed up. That's all right. With the understanding that I have more space, and if I have more space, my artwork will be better because I will have bigger lines, thicker lines, and if I'm doing these small, thinned out pieces of artwork, then it's obviously going to be a lot harder to get those fine line details. And as far as recording these, I know I haven't done a lot of editing lately, or any editing lately at all, but I've been recording on my phone because I don't have the time right now to edit. So I can't speed these up. I can't. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I can download something on my phone and do that. Just I haven't taken the time to research, you know, which ones I would prefer to use. But I have to always turn my phone on airplane mode, which I just did right before recording this, because I have had the unfortunate event of people calling me as I'm in the middle of recording a video, and either I can't use the video or it cuts off. I think one of my last videos cut off at the end because I didn't have my phone on airplane mode. I put it on Do Not Disturb thinking, oh, nobody's gonna be able to call me. Well, that was wrong. They still called me, and the only thing that kind of works, so I'm done with the brush pen, I'm gonna go to a fine line. But the only thing that works as far as the, I guess not getting phone calls is airplane mode, because they literally can't call you because you don't have any service. And yeah, I guess Do Not Disturb just silence everything. So they can still call you. It just doesn't ring loud. Yeah, I'm glad I did the decision of doing this with the fine liner. Just would not work this fast with the brush pen. And then I can also move my hand kind of in the directions that I wish using this. With the brush pen, I'm not the best at it yet, so I can't really move my hands in specific positions because I'm just not good enough at that angle yet. And since I'm not that good at that angle yet, it just doesn't come out right. And again, I will be coloring these. I just can't color them yet because this video would be like 45 minutes to an hour long. And I don't want to do that. I'll record them with an edited software, either on my phone or at the house when I actually have my equipment, my camera, software on the computer. Just a few more details. And I am done. Here's that. Let me double check to see if there's anything else that I've missed. I think I am good. I'm just gonna finish the staff really quick. And this was kind of difficult to do. I wanted it to look like wood. I found somebody on, gosh, what was it? Pinterest. And they did like a chibi cartoon character of Master Splinter. So I kind of used the robe from that, and the ears from that drawing, because I've never drawn, one, I've never drawn a rat. Two, I've never drawn Master Splinter. So I needed a reference. And so I went on Pinterest, found this guy, did that, and then his staff was being held, but since the Among Us characters don't have arms, there's no arms. So All right, there you have it. I'm gonna go ahead and get these videos done to you in Ohuhu alcohol-based markers, and I hope you guys enjoy those. But for now, that's the end of this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next one. Inktober 2020, I'm loving it. See you guys on the next one. Peace.